Wise Cash Withdrawal Declined Fix. If your Wise Cash withdrawal was declined, do not worry. Follow these simple steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check your balance. Open your Wise app and make sure you have enough funds in the correct currency. Remember, ATM fees may require a little extra balance. Step 2. Verify your withdrawal limits. Go to your Wise Card settings and check your daily and monthly ATM withdrawal limits. If you have reached the limit, you'll need to wait or adjust it if available. Step 3. Check your card status. Ensure your Wise card is active, not expired, and not temporarily blocked. If needed, unfreeze or update your card details in the app. Step 4. Use a compatible ATM. Not all ATMs accept Wise cards. Try using major bank ATMs or ones known to support international or Visa MasterCard withdrawals. Step 5. Confirm your PIN. Make sure you are entering the correct PIN. If you are unsure, you can view or reset your PIN directly in the Wise app. Step 6. Contact Wise Support. If the issue still isn't resolved, reach out to Wise Support through the app for personalized assistance. And that's it. These steps should help you resolve most Wise Cash withdrawals issues quickly and easily.